Welcome back to Moose's Garage, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
Well, today we took the Elderbrock 600 off, and we're going to try the 750 Holley vacuum secondaries, a 3310 that we rebuilt. We're going to put it on the cruiser motor and see how it works, and see if there's anything we got to do to change, or if we got leaks or anything. So
we're gonna put a. I'm thinking.
I got
one.
that. Yeah.
Okay.
Do you remember that key we just picked up?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I remember.
But that's what we're gonna do. So we got the Elderbrock off already, and we're gonna put the 750 Holley on where we built and hook it up. So
hopefully everything works good.
Yep. Now I gotta find a case again. Yep.
Make sure it's locked.
I do. I always lock it. Now, Donnie, you want to talk about locking the case?
That's why you're going to do that from now on.
I don't even know how many piece pickup we played.
We played a good piece of it, that's for sure.
One big cat right there.
Oh.
What?
Why is that all? Oh, it went off there.
What did you do?
I didn't do none. I just seen it pop off like what? Your big meats must have hit it.
Yeah, see how Donnie's saying I'm fat.
No, didn't say that.
I heard you, Donnie. Loud and clear, buddy. I get it. You're saying that how chunky was it?
No. Yeah.
Hey, watch that.
Yeah,
that dipstick.
It'll grab you.
Put this cap on. We'll put this under here.
Oh, and pop it back up. They're all loose yet.
It's too late now.
All right.
Big fingers under a carburetor do not help.
Can you get it?
I'll get it one way or another. Hey, you're going to have that thing hooked up. I'm still be messing with this stupid cat. I think I got it.
Looks like you did.
Just make sure all my connections are tight.
Okay. That. All right. Now we need to just get a battery.
Yep. All right, everyone. Nope, we had it running for a little bit so we could set the float, which we got that done. As you notice, the haze. Now, I think we have to turn it over, Donnie, so we can get it pumped up. Yum.
Yeah.
Shut it off. I think it likes the full manifold vacuum.
Yeah. It is just pouring that.
Yeah, that base plate, we got to get a base plate for it, guys. She's not the good.
No. Well, it might be, but it's not.
Yep. So you're looking for a 750 base plate. Look at the smoke.
These. All right.
Try it again.
Alrighty.
Okay. What happened?
Oh no.
I know this base plate's leaking like a sieve.
Oh. Smoke coming out of that hole.
Oh.
Right. So you can see it right here. If you come over here, that's where you're getting your vacuum leak.
Oh. That's not good.
No. Remember, you're saying a vacuum leak. That's probably what you're hearing.
I'll put my finger over it. Okay.
What the?
You just cooked the module?
I hope not.
Oh, one easy way to check.
You gonna put your tongue on it?
I'm gonna have you hold it.
Oh no.
Well, I get that off. Find out if we got sparkies.
Yeah, we might have lost our Sparky. You ready?
Yep. Spark.
Oh, what the hell? Try again?
Yep. Yeah, something's not right with this carburetor.
No.
Because it was running.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That's why.
Fill up the gas, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh,
Where is that coming from?
oh, that's what. That's what.
Give me my lights
You gotta turn it on, but I don't want to blind you.
It's just dripping out of there.
No, I have to do some more work to her, I guess.
Yep. Well,
Oh.
that sucks.
That really sucks. But
Well,
yeah.
we didn't know the base plate was bad.
No. So we put it on and started running it.
The thing that gets me though is I know them floats ain't
No, them floats.
went up too high.
No.
We set them.
Let me shake it. Keep seeing it?
See it. You know why?
Because it's dripping all out.
Oh, that freaking float's bad.
Oh.
Well,
Guess we'll have to take it back off and.
well, guys,
Take
this
it off.
didn't work out the way we wanted it to.
No. That was a fail. Oh well. We'll fix it.
Yep, get a base plate. Get another float.
Yeah.
Yeah. Had that float set, evidently it got a hole in it, or it
Yeah.
finally gave out. Because it's down like this.
Oh
So
wow.
it's just dumping gas in.
Yeah.
So we probably flooded it pretty good.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, guys, not everything happens the way you want it to.
No, we was hoping so.
We was hoping we had a good one here, but it's
Yes.
nothing to take the float bowl off. And if I'm going to do that, we've got that conversion kit for the
You might, yeah.
rear metering block.
You want to do that anyway, so.
Yep.
Just gives you a reason to do it.
I'll get around and
I think.
get a float and look for a base plate.
I think once you get that squared away, I think it'll work good.
Yep, this will be our break-in carburetor.
Yeah, get that hole covered somehow. Yep. Yeah, I was sitting there like, what is coming out of there? Oh.
That's you know what? I probably should put that manual choke thing on there.
Yep.
That would work.
Yep, that'll keep that covered then. Shit.
Well, guys, that didn't work the way we wanted it to. But we're going to show you the good and the bad.
Yep, and this is the bad. We'll make it good. That sucks.
Well, I mean, it happens. We're not the only guys that ever do this, and it ever, just goes south.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, base plate and the float.
Yep. And fix the vacuum leak right there on the side.
Oh, yeah. I'll just put that.
Yeah. Manual choke back on there.
Just have that bracket on there.
Yeah. Cool.
Well, we failed.
Yeah, we failed tonight, but
we wouldn't have known.
No, you had to try. A good thing we tried it here instead on something else.
Yep. I mean, when we get ready to do the 355 for the 68 C10, I'm going to bring my 750 in that I have.
Yeah, that'll work good.
I know that one's good.
Yep.
Well, poop.
Yep. What do you do? I take it back off and fix it.
Yep. Well, I guess, guys, that's all for this episode of Moose's Garage.
That's all she wrote, folks.
You know what I'll do? I'll just bring my 750 and we'll put it on this.
Okay. Yeah, it runs.
We know that's good.
Yeah, we know that one's good for sure.
And then we'll just do another video with that 750 running on this one because I think that this would sound a little bit different. I don't know. We're going to find out.
I think it will too.
And the only way you find out is by trying.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. Stuff happens.
Yeah, then you go on and fix it.
Yep, I got to fix it now. But overall, I got a good base carburetor. I just got to do a new base plate. I didn't notice how much play was in that rear throttle blade.
All good.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't know how long I had it. It's been sitting. I don't know if they even attempted to use it on that car or not, but I just know they gave it to me, and it looked like a good carburetor, so.
Hey, I'll make it work.
Yeah, I know you will.
Put some more money into it. New float, new base plate, put the manual choke setup back on it, even though it's not there.
Yeah.
But, yeah. We'll get it.
Yep, definitely.
So, remember, guys, you'll have this. You just got to keep going. You fix it. You know, things like this happen.
Yes, sir.
But we brought you guys along. This is what happened. We didn't hide it from you guys, and we'll fix it. But I will bring my 750 in. Well, we will put it on this
and fire it up. I think it'll sound different. Probably sound better, I think, too.
Well, when we did have it running, trying to check the floats and stuff, it did sound pretty good.
Yeah, it did, and then it just started going south real quick.
Yep, and then I just took that out, checked, and evidently the float just filled with gas, and it's just dumping. So, all right, guys, remember, this is what happens. You run into stuff all the time. You just got to keep going. Build what you want. Don't let anybody else tell you what to build. You're the one that's got to be happy with it. You're spending the money. And that's part of hot rodding right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Those project cars.
Yep, that's what I say. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, people. We'll get it fixed and try it again and show you.
Yep. And, if we don't get the parts for this right away for the next video, I'll bring my 750 in. We'll put it on here because I know that one's right.
Yeah, that one works good.
Because we already had that on the 355. So.
Yep.
All right?
So
until next time, guys, keep watching on Moose's Garage.
Yep, we got a Facebook page now. You go on there and look. Comment on there.
Yep, just got started with it. So,
yep, so you got Facebook.
And we got a TikTok page, too.
Yep, TikTok. And just go on YouTube, like and share and subscribe. That's that way we can get this going a little better. And
port parts.
Yeah, and get parts. It's expensive.
Yep, we're just out of our pocketbook.
Yep.
So until next time, guys, we'll see you on Moose's Garage.